Now we are going to learn constraints. In these constraints, constraint defined in dialog box, it is not activated. It is activated only when sketch we have done here. The second thing is constraint and counter constraint, and third one is fix together and auto constraint. It is auto constraint, it is animated constraint, and edit multi constraint. So totally how many constraints are there? It is constraint dialog box, okay, but not a constraint box. Total 6 constraints are there. Here you can also check it out. Insert constraint, constraint creations, constraint, counter constraint, fix together, auto constraint, animation constraint, and edit multi constraints. Okay, total 6. Now we'll see how each and every constraint works. So I will draw a rectangle, I will draw a circle, and I will draw some other circle, okay, and I will draw a arc, I will draw a elongated hole, okay, and I will draw a line. So here first of all constraint. Here constraint will give dimensions 90, 40. Here see we get purple color because same line we are giving 2 dimensions, so it is not accepted. So it is represent like error. Now I am selecting again second line, so perpendicular. Okay, so let's choose this one, diameter. These are the constraints. Now I selected line and circle. So by clicking right click, reference, swap location, tangency, swap location. Okay, swap location means the positions change from here to here. 21.7 is again swap location. Have you observed? From line to circle there is a difference 21.71. So when I click right click and selecting swap location, it is changing above the line with same dimension. Again I am clicking right click and swap location, you are getting. So literally we are moving object with the same dimension with respect of line towards upside and downside. That is swap location. And reference, again another option is tangency. If I select the tangency, this line and circle will be coincidence, so connected, not coincidence. The line and circle will be connected. This is tangency. So by using constraint we can give dimensional constraint, and this is geometrical constraints. Okay, circle to circle. See now how many options are there. Reference, horizontal measure distance, vertical measure distance, swap location, concentricity, coincidence, tangency, allow symmetry line, position dimensions. These all are options between two circles. Okay, but previously the line and tangency, how many options we got? Only 3. Line and circle. How many options we got? Reference, swap location. Now tangency is disappeared because already we have given tangency dimension to this. Now there is no option to give the same constraint again. That's why it is not displaying in these options. Okay, so this constraint is act as two ways: geometrical constraint, like geometrical constraint, and dimensional constraint. So it is important, guys. So now I'll give reference. Reference means it is indicating in bracket. Okay, driving means I remove the reference. Now horizontal measure direction. This is horizontal measure dimension. Vertical measure dimension. Vertical measure dimension. This is swap location. Constraint means these two circles of points are coincidence. I am giving coincidence. Constraint. So these two circles. Tangency. Other symmetry line, position dimensions. Like based on the geometry of the sketch, the dimensions will be displayed in this pop-up box. So just select the constraint and choose the sketch what you want, and click the right click of the mouse and pick up which option you want. That's the requirement. Okay, now let's see contact constraint. Here we have only one option. I have drawn these two circles. Now I am choosing contact constraint, selecting first circle and second circle. See the center of these two circles coincidence, become one point. Here we can see I am selecting this first circle, bigger circle, and second circle. Now again see, first I am selecting smaller circle and second one bigger circle. The moments will be varying. Select the rectangle. This is a complete sketch. I am selecting all sketch and choosing fix together command. So these all points and lines are fixed together. Hold at any point and drag without dimension constraints. So here there is no movement in lines, but moving complete sketch, because we are not constrained this sketch to any horizontal and vertical axis. Means we are not constrained fully. Okay, let's fix it together. This is auto constraint. Now select the complete sketch and select the auto constraint. Auto constraint. I select the line and reference line. Here is horizontal. Symmetry line, it is vertical. Okay. See, this line is constrained with this x-axis. Okay, that is auto constraint. We can check in some example. There you get clear understanding of this auto constraint. The remaining thing is animated constraint and edit multi constraint. See here, now I didn't select anything in this sketch. For example, I selected circle. Here now there is no activation in this. So again I am selecting circle. Now click on constraint define dialog box. Here how many options are activated? Radius, diameter and fix. Only 2 options are activated. Okay, now select line and select the constraint define dialog box. Here line and fix, only 2 options are highlighted. Now select complete rectangle box. I can see length fix, horizontal vertical line. Okay, like based on this sketch and their mode, remaining things will be activated. Symmetry, axis, symmetry, semi-minor axis, symmetry, midpoint, equidistances, like all will be activated based on the sketch. So animated constraint is different. We will learn further. Now finally edit multi constraint. So to edit multi constraint we require this is the sketch. Now I am giving dimensions each and every one. Double click constraints. So finally all dimensions have done. Now I want to edit each and everything. For example, I want to edit 190 to 195. Edited. I have changed the dimension. Like if I want to change each and everything, I want to click each and every dimension and edit in their pop-up box. So to avoid that, here we have option edit multi constraint. Select this edit multi constraint. See here, pick whatever dimension you will pick, it will be highlighted in sketch. For example, now length, initial value, current value 100 mm. So current value I want to change 100 mm to 170 and it is 140, from 140 to 120. Okay, and third one is 120, from 120 to 140, and it is 200 to 160, and it is 195, from 195 to 160, and 270 to 160, 340, 180. So here whatever we have changed the dimension, initially it is in orange color, after we change the dimension it is in blue color, means we have changed these all dimensions. So with one click one power box is displayed here. In this display I'm selected what dimension I need to edit. So here I select the line and changing their value. So preview. So this is the dimension. So here 170 is there. I don't want 170 because it is too much height. Now I want to change that line. Select that line and give 120. Preview. Okay. This is the use of edit multi constraint. Constraints, initial values, current values, maximum tolerance, minimum tolerance, if we give tolerances, everything. Okay. So with this class we have completed constraints except animated constraint. We will be checking later this constraint. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.